Good morning. This Monday morning, I'm getting ready to cook an omelet, and I'm gonna break 2 eggs. This is Paula J cooking. I already have my skillet hot. I put oil in it. Breaking 2 eggs. Gotta be careful of the shell falling into the egg. Put pepper in there. Salt. Just a little salt. Once I do that, make sure the skillet is hot. Pour the egg in here. Move you closer so you can see it. Then I'm gonna put spinach while the egg cooking. Tomatoes and cheese. I'm doing is flipping it as it get hot. See? You see it? Move it a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. See how the omelet look? Once they cooking, I'm gonna get a plate. It takes less than really 10 minutes to cook this. Flip it over. Okay. I flip it. It's a very easy recipe. You teenagers can do this. You can put in whatever you want, wherever you like, onions and everything. Okay. And this is once it's finished, I'm gonna cut the skillet off. Put the pepper here. Pour it in there. It's my omelet. And also, I'm going to do something a little different. I put blueberries on there. I heat it up, frozen blueberries. And I put a little on my omelet. I love blueberries. They good for you too. And this is Paula J Omelet. Have a good morning. See you soon. Bye.